substitution unimolecular. This reaction is mainly shown by tertiary alkyl halide. Let us take an example. Suppose T-butyl bromide CH3 whole thrice CBr when reacts with aqueous KOH, it gives CH3 whole thrice COH plus KBr. Same reaction happens. Alkyl halide KOH सहित react करी same alcohol product दोची, but it is a tertiary alkyl halide and it is a tertiary alcohol. This reaction supposed to proceed in two steps. SN1 reaction proceeds in two steps. Step 1, the first step रे कौन होची ना the carbon halogen bond breaks heterolytically to form an intermediate carbocation. Since halogen is more electronegative, the bond breaks towards halogen. This type of bond fission is called heterolytic bond fission. Due to heterolysis, a carbocation is formed. Carbon with positive charge and bromine is removed as bromide. ताले हमर गोटे डाउट आसीबो सेठी काई कार्बन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड रे कार्बन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड भांगिला नाही काई की एठी काई भांगला आमे जानि छे हाइड्रोजन आर इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप -I. This is also -I bromine, this is the same -I group of bromine, but these three are +I effect group, electron releasing group. Alkyl groups are electron releasing group +I effect group, but hydrogen are 0I, neither releasing nor withdrawing. So in this case, the -I effect of bromine will be enhanced, much enhanced, by the support of +I effect of 3 alkyl group. तीनोटी +I effect electron releasing group लगी जिबा द्वारा ए ब्रोमीन रो -I effect ए ब्रोमीन तुलना रे बहुत enhance हो जाए, बढ़ी जाए. That's why the bond easily break heterolytically to form an intermediate carbocation. And this step is a slow step. Why slow step? Because in order to break a bond, some amount of energy is needed. That amount of energy can be obtained by the collision of reactant particles or from the solvation energy in form of solvation energy. So naturally this is a slow step or a rate determining step. Step 2. Now in the reaction mixture, carbocation is formed. This carbon was sp3 hybridized, but this carbon now becomes sp2. Carbocation is a planar chemical species. Since its hybridization is sp2, the three groups linked to it, that is 3 methyl group, lie in one plane, making an angle 120 degrees. This is the shape of the intermediate carbocation formed in the reaction mixture. Now, in the reaction mixture, nucleophiles are present everywhere. This is a planar chemical carbocation. Nucleophiles are present all around the carbocation, planar species. From which side the nucleophile will attack? Front side or from back side or both sides? This is a planar species. Negative ions are present all around it. So negative ion will be attached to this positive carbocation, maybe from front side, maybe from back side. There is every possibility that the nucleophile OH- will approach this positively charged carbocation either from front side or from back side. So we will expect two types of product. First is जो साइड रे हाइड्रोजन थिला से साइड रे भी OH लागि पारे बा जो साइड रे हाइड्रोजन थिला तार अपोजिट साइड रे भी हाइड्रोजन OH लागि पारे. जेहेतु एटा planar chemical species, nucleophile may attack from front side or may attack from back side. There is equal possibility. सो जदि फ्रंट साइड रो अटैक कला जो साइड रे ब्रोमीन थला सही साइड रे वेज लागी या दिस इज कॉल्ड रिटेंशन प्रोडक्ट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज कॉल्ड रिटेंशन जदि बैक साइड रो अटैक कला वी विल गेट इन्वर्सन प्रोडक्ट ताले मते को आमे एटी को प्रोडक्ट आशा रखिबा इन्वर्सन ना रिटेंशन ना बोथ प्रोडक्ट अच्छा इन्वर्सन फ्रंट साइड अटैक रो चांस मोर ना बैक साइड अटैक रो चांस मोर ना इक्वल possibility if there is equal possibility then 50% will be inversion product and 50% will be retention product in stereochemistry we know that if equimolar mixture of D and L isomers are mixed inversion retention 50% 50-50 is mixed the mixture will be optically inactive called racemic mixture tale suppose this alkyl halide was a optically active alkyl halide with D configuration that means it rotate plane polarized light towards the right after treatment with KOH the alcohol becomes D or L na 50% D 50% L 50 D 50 L so the mixture will be racemic but the mixture is not fully racemized because inversion product is greater than 50% retention product is less than this indicates that inversion predominates over retention inversion product always more retention product is always less but both product will form both inversion and retention but more amount ro inversion less amount ro retention एमति काई होउछ जदि एटा प्लानर केमिकल स्पेसीज ताकू नेगेटिव आयन फ्रंट रो अटैक करबा चांस लेति कि बैक रो अटैक करबा चांस लेति कि सो 50-50 एसिया कथा बैक साइड अटैक ता काई कि प्रिफरेबल अटैकिंग साइड होउछ देखिबा सपोज कार्बन ब्रोमीन बॉन्ड भांगी गला कार्बन हे गला प्लानर कार्बोकैटायन Br हे गला Br- bond already broken Br is becomes Br minus it becomes a planar ion nucleophile are present all around it मते को Br minus सिना बॉन्ड टी भांगी गला Br minus एही जगह रु हटिबा पूर्व रु एकी चार्ज एक्वायर कर साले पॉजिटिव चार्ज तेणु आकु की अटैक करनबो न्यूक्लियोफाइल ताले न्यूक्लियोफाइल आकु धक्का मारी ये जगह रु हटेई बसिबा इजियर ना बैक साइड रु बसिबा इजियर बैक साइड that means the nucleophilic attack occurs before the departing ion has completely left the neighborhood of carbocation. Carbocation ro pakharu departing ion ba leaving group bahari ba purvaru nucleophilic attack he jay kan he already positive charge carry kari salani. That means inversion is more than retention. It is confirmed from stereochemistry. Let us take an optically active alkyl halide like methyl, ethyl and propyl C3H7B. A compound na kono na 3 carbon 4 carbon 6 tane parent chain ne 6 carbon 6 carbon ne 3 bromo 3 methyl hexane. This compound is 3 bromo 3 methyl hexane and this carbon is a chiral carbon. It has the tendency to rotate a plane polarized light. Suppose this isomer is D isomer. Suppose this alkyl halide is D alkyl halide. It is treated with aqueous KOH and the alcohol form will be D or L, na both D and L. Both D and L, but D is less than 50%, L is more than. So it is fully racemized or partially racemized. It is not fully racemized. If we have 50-50 product पाइथांता ताले इथांता fully racemized जेहेतु inversion टा predominates over retention inversion अधिकार है तमन this mixture is partially racemic mixture. SN2 reaction में हमें पाउथले inversion product but SN1 ने both inversion and retention किंतु inversion more predominates over retention that means it is not fully racemized. We get a partially racemized. Then kinetics. In a multi-step reaction, rate always determined from slow step you should know it is studied in chemical kinetics. For example, suppose a reaction takes 3 steps. First step takes only 1 second, second step takes 10 minutes, third step takes 2 seconds. आम रिएक्शन स्टार्ट कले at 10 am ताले आम प्रोडक्ट 10टा 2 मिनिट 10टा 5 रे आम प्रोडक्ट आशा करि परिबा नाही काहे ना ए स्टेप कंप्लीट नले ए स्टेप हबनी कि फाइनल प्रोडक्ट आम पाइबा ना ताले ए रिएक्शन रेटटा ए स्टेप रो कंप्लीशन ऊपर निर्भर करूछ दैट मींस ए स्टेपटा जते शीघ्र कंप्लीट हबो रिएक्शन सेते शीघ्र प्रोसीड करिवो. So multi-step reaction rate always determined from slow step. जेहेतु ए रिएक्शन दुईटी स्टेप रही एवं फर्स्ट स्टेप रे होची स्लो स्टेप सेठी केवल अल्काइल हैलाइड हेटेरोलिसिस हेछि ताले रेट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द concentration of alkyl halide only but not on a nucleophile. That means it is a unimolecular reaction and a first order reaction. ए रिएक्शन में आम न्यूक्लियोफाइल कंसंट्रेशन डबल कले रेट रो कोनोसी चेंज होबो नाही न्यूक्लियोफाइल कंसंट्रेशन को हाफ कले भी रेट रो कोनोसी चेंज होबो नाही बट अल्काइल हैलाइड रो कंसंट्रेशन बढ़िले रेट बढ़ुचे और कंसंट्रेशन कमले रेट कमुचे ताने रेट डिपेंड्स ओनली अपॉन द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ अल्काइल हैलाइड सो इट इज ए यूनिमोलिकुलर रिएक्शन एंड फॉलो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स. नेक्स्ट हम देखबा रिएक्टिविटी. Suppose let us take two different alkyl halide following SN1 reaction. First will give carbocation, second will give carbocation. This is carbocation 1, this is carbocation 2. दुईट कार्बोकैटायन भितर जो कार्बोकैटायनटा मोर स्टेबल हबो that will easily form. Suppose C2 carbocation is more stable, that means C2 carbocation will easily form. That means this halide is highly reactive. The stability of a carbocation is explained by electronic effect like inductive effect, hyperconjugation effect and resonance effect. आमे जानसे कार्बोकैटायन रो जो कार्बन ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज अछि सेठी इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट सेंटर से कार्बन को जते इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप लागिवो तार स्टेबिलिटी सेते बढ़ी बढ़ी जीवो कारण पॉजिटिव चार्ज सेते कमी कमी जीवो ताले इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप लागिथिबा कार्बोकैटायन गुडी को मोर स्टेबल. टर्शियरी कार्बोकैटायन ने तीनोटी इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप लागि थाए तेनो टर्शियरी कार्बोकैटायन इज मोर स्टेबल दैट मींस टर्शियरी हैलाइड इज मोर रिएक्टिव. सेकेंडरी रे दुईटी अल्काइल ग्रुप लागि थाए then secondary is comparatively less reactive than tertiary. Then primary गोटे लागि थाए इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप. Then methyl there is no electron donating group. So the reactivity order of alkyl halide in SN1 reaction is just reverse of SN2 reaction. It is clear that all primary halides show SN2 reaction, all tertiary halides show SN1 reaction. Secondary halides show which type of reaction? Now both SN1 and SN2, that depends upon the nature of nucleophile, solvent used, etc. 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 Oh,